Hello, welcome to my channel Math with Nazia. In this video, we are going to learn some important question about trigonometry. I have already explained you the basics of trigonometry in my previous video. You can refer that. The link is given below in the description, or you can simply click on the I button given above. So let's see the first question for today. From the adjoining figure, find tan x, sin y and cos y. So this is our figure given. This is a right angle triangle. As you could see, ABC is a right angle triangle. This is right angled at B. And there is another small right angle triangle which is SRB, and it's right angled at R. And we have an angle X here, and there is an angle Y here. And we have few measurements given, which is SR equals 5, RB equals 6 and AB equals 18. So these are the measures given to us. With the help of these measures, we have to find the value of tan x, sin y and cos y. So let's take the first question, which is tan x. So to find this question, let's take the triangle, the smaller triangle, because it's x. So our angle x is here. So let's take this triangle, that is SRB, which is right angled at R. So let us take the triangle SRB. So I'm going to take these three triangles. And what is the value of tan in this triangle when we take? We know what is RS. RS is 5 and RB is 6. So we know how to write tan. Tan x equals, right, which is perpendicular by base. So when we take this perpendicular, which is the perpendicular for this triangle with respect to x, the perpendicular here is the opposite side. Always the side opposite to the angle is the perpendicular. I've explained in detail this part in my previous video. Refer to that so that you will have a detailed explanation about this. So RB is the perpendicular side, and the base is the angle side which is next to it, which is RS. So here perpendicular is nothing but RB and base is nothing but RS. So the value of tan x equals 6 by 5. Isn't it easy? Now let's find the second question for the second question, which is sin y. So our second question is sin y. Here the angle we need to find is y. So for the second equation, we will need this triangle which is AR and S. So when we take this triangle AR and S, we know what is AR. Since AB is 18, RB is 6, so this would obviously become 12. So we know the value of AR is 12. Now we know the value of RS is also 5. Now whenever we have to find sin y, what is the formula to find sin y? I hope you all remember that. Yes, it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here our perpendicular is, as you know, which is the perpendicular side? Right, the side opposite to the angle is our perpendicular side, which is RS. Here RS is our perpendicular because it's respect to y. Don't confuse this. This is with respect to x. RS was our base, and with respect to y, RS is our perpendicular. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is our hypotenuse? AS. But in this case, we know what is AR and we know what is RS, but we don't know what is AS. So now let's find the hypotenuse, the side hypotenuse. So which formula would you be applying for this? Any guesses? Right, we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ARS, as you could see, it's a right angle at R, so which is the hypotenuse side? AS. So we can write the formula as AS square equals AR square plus RS square. And as we know, what is our AR? AR is 12 square plus 5 square. So what is 12 square? Right, 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. So we get it as 169. So AS square is equal to 169. So what is AS? AS equal to the square of 169, which is 13. Isn't it easy? We have found the value of AS using the Pythagoras theorem. So this, the value of this is 13. Let's find the value of sine y. So for sine y, we know the perpendicular and we know the hypotenuse. So sine y equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is our perpendicular? RS. RS is 5. And what is the hypotenuse? Which is 13. So we have got the value of sine y. Our second question is solved. Now let's find the third question, which is cos y. And this is also with respect to y. As you could see, with respect to y, we have found out all the three sides. Right? So what is the formula for cos? I hope you all remember this also. Right. So this is base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse with respect to y, which is our base, AR is our base. So AR by, which is our hypotenuse, AS, as I've already explained. So now what is AR? AR is 12 and hypotenuse, which is 13. Hence we have got the value of cos y as 12 by 13. Isn't it easy? We just need to take the triangles, see whether all the sides are there, and if some sides are missing, use Pythagoras theorem and find the other side and substitute the value. Isn't it easy? So I hope this method is easy for you to understand. If you found this video interesting, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get a regular updates of all my videos. And do not forget to click on the like button. Thank you.